What's the meaning of Chinatown? Chinatown. Chinatown.
Chinatown. Chinatown. Chinatown is a term used to describe a neighborhood or district in a city where there is a large population of Chinese residents and businesses. These areas often have a distinct cultural atmosphere, with Chinese language signs, restaurants serving traditional cuisine, and other shops catering to the Chinese community. Beyond just being a geographical location, Chinatown is also a symbol of the Chinese diaspora and the struggles and accomplishments of Chinese immigrants in building new homes and communities in foreign lands.